In all other respects, his bond will continue. Thank you. I'm sorry. That was an arraignment.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. Court does call the cases of the people versus Quincy Jones.
Hey, Pierre Richard McDuffie for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Mike Getty, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Jones, who's here to my right, Judge. State your name, Mr. Jones.
Quincy Jones.
You feel better today?
Yes, I do.
Do you?
Yes.
Sobriety is a funny thing, isn't it? Never mind. You don't have to answer that. Don't ever show up here like that again. You hear me?
Yeah.
All right. What are we doing?
I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. This was also an arraignment. The court was attempting to arraign him on the new case last time.
Right.
Yes, on the 25 F2 1293, Your Honor, or 0697, Your Honor, anticipating that will be appointed, I would waive reading and standing.
All right. But in every way, former reading standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea as to that case. And the public defender is appointed in that matter. What date did you want me to set probable cause?
Your Honor, I did receive the police report earlier this morning. Ms. McDuffie was kind enough to send it to me. The version I got last night wouldn't open, so I haven't had a chance to go over that with Mr. Jones. I'd ask for the next available date, and if I can be heard on bond.
Yes.
Your Honor, Mr. Jones is here.
Well, hold on a second. I'll make it the 17th, so he's not.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
June 17th, 2025 at 9. That's during time on the other matter, too. Go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Jones is here in custody today, obviously. He does have a place to reside. He resides in Ann Arbor. He does have his own apartment. He does receive assistance from Avalon Housing. I was able to reach them on the phone, and they are, would continue to provide him assistance in navigating the ins and outs of life. He would comply with whatever drug testing the court would require, where a sober link if the court, or a scram tether if the court required such. He does receive a monthly, I believe does receive a monthly shot under an ATO. I'd ask the court to give him an opportunity to have a personal recognizance bond in this matter with monitoring and whatever testing requirements that the court deems suitable.
From the people.
Your Honor, while I don't have an issue, my original request was for a $7,500 PR bond on this case. It probably goes without saying, especially at this point, that I am requesting a testing order. I don't know to what extent alcohol is something that Mr. Jones deals with, but certainly drugs, narcotics, cocaine specifically, are of concern to the people. I think that there was a request on his older file, but because he had been hospitalized and gotten out of treatment, the court declined to impose a testing order at that time. Unfortunately, I think we see that we probably need to keep close tabs on Mr. Jones's compliance. Other than that, no objection to the PR and the attendance.
Yes. How often are you using the ground?
Well, mainly not that much.
Why?
Mainly not that much.
I was a bit surprised you did what you did last week. Usually you show up and you show up sober enough to take care of business.
Yeah, I have a lot going on between my mom's girlfriend and the house selling. It's
all right.
Yep. Getting down.
On case ending in 575. In that case, that I've adjourned to the 17th at 9. I'm going to reinstate his previous bond of the $5,000 personal recognizance. All right, and the previous conditions. It means that you're going to have testing on that. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
On his new matter, I'll set his bond at a $5,000 Personal with cognizance mild. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. No use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. You need to repeat that?
Oh, yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
I'm going to order that he test at community corrections. How often are you testing under the old order? How many times are they calling you?
Not once.
I don't believe he was
Oh, was it?
at all.
Oh, that's right. So I'm going to order intermediate supervision with at least 2 times per week drug testing. Got that?
Okay.
Thank you.
Your Honor, will he need to report immediately to community corrections if he gets out or within 24 hours? Or will they come see him before?
Yes, they get him out, community, and you're out before 4:30. I want you getting over, or 4 o'clock. I want you getting over there to community corrections.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Court does call the case People versus Paris Lester.
Cameron Edish on behalf of Mr. Lester approaching.
Harris Alexander Lester.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we were going to be asking for an adjournment for a potential global resolution on his other matters.
Probable cause conference, June 17th, 2025. 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the People versus Jacqueline Murray.
Andrew Children's Grant on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Cameron Edish on behalf of Miss Murray, who can hear anything after. Jacqueline Murray.
All right.
Your Honor, we were going to be asking for an adjournment pending for release to treatment, but I believe she has already started her Dawn Farms program in custody. So we'll just be adjourning for plea negotiations after she does some progress there.
After she shows some progress.
Yes,
Um,
she just started, I believe, right? Yes.
is this the only, are these the only cases holding her here? Or does she have other?
She has other cases. I also believe she has cases. Well, she resolved, she has one warrant out of 35th that I don't believe has resolved yet. But here,
Okay, how much time do you want? I mean, I can do the 17th or 26th.
the 26th, Your Honor. I think
26th.
she'll have more progress at that
Yeah,
point.
that's what I was,
Thank you.
I guess, kind of getting at. June 26th, 2025, 9 a.m. bond continues.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. You want those?
Yeah.
Court calls the case of the People versus Michael Patterson. Two
Morning,
cases.
Your Honor. Abigail Nice-Swanger requesting permission to appear and SNAR 8.120 under the supervision of Laura Wood.
Get that whole thing.
She did? Right through the Wisconsin house. Permission to practice is granted.
Abigail Nice-Swanger, fourth.
Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender for Mr. Patterson, who's here to my right. State your name, Mr. Patterson.
Michael Lee Patterson.
Right.
Your Honor, we're here for a competency hearing. I did have an opportunity to meet with Mr. Patterson yesterday. We did go over the competency recommendation from the Forensic Center. We don't have any additions or corrections to that competency.
All right. And no other additional evidence.
No, Judge.
Is there any evidence from the People?
No, Judge.
You would stipulate to the report.
Yes, Judge.
Based upon a review of that report, the court would find that the defendant is competent to stand trial, would specifically find that he can understand the nature and objects of the proceedings against him and can rationally assist his defense. Therefore, the defendant is deemed competent.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll need orders.
I will prepare an order, Judge.
You are so good. Okay.
And what would you like this set for?
I'd ask to set this for a probable cause, these matters for probable cause, Judge.
Are these the only cases holding him here?
Yeah.
I mean, did you want me to set it the 12th or the 17th? That's, I guess, right. ultimate question.
I'll leave that to the court's discretion. I do have a request on this. Actually, I think he has an MDOC hold, Judge.
Does he? Okay.
But I think that may be cleared up. I have not been able to verify that.
All right. I'll set probable cause conference for June 17th, 2025.
Yeah.
I wanted to say something to Joe.
All right. Esteban.
Yeah.
I mean, Your Honor, Mr. Patterson is here. He has indicated to me that he would like to seek treatment, most notably at perhaps the Havenwick facility in Auburn Hills. If I'd ask the court to consider, if we are able to arrange that, to consider if I'm able to talk to the prosecutor, reviewing a stipulation to release to that treatment if we're able to secure it.
That would be inpatient.
Yes.
Okay. I typically am not going to have an objection to any release to inpatient treatment.
Okay, thank you.
Appropriate, but if you work with the prosecutor.
Say what?
Otherwise, his bond will continue.
Release it.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be in touch, okay?
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Where's Miss Yagi?
I think she went back to her office.
Okay, no, that's fine. I don't know why she's doing things better than everybody else. Did that hurt your feelings, Miss Parenti?
No, I-
No.
What you said.
I said she's doing something better than everybody else. And I'm just, oh, whoa. That wasn't, wow. Okay. Oh,
that.
yeah, I know. I didn't want to repeat it.
I can't speak for everyone, but for myself, I understand why she's doing better.
Wow.
I know my limitations.
Court calls the case People versus Tyler Redmond.
That's the money for the people, both members. Good morning. Good morning, attorney, on behalf of Mr. Redmond. Your Honor, I had a green sheet. It was there and now it's missing. So I'll get that to you.
Probably why I said that about Yagi.
I know.
All right.
I guess I could admit my own faults.
Your name, sir?
Tyler Redmond.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are requesting an adjournment for ongoing plea negotiations and a referral to drug courts. So we're going to
Got
get them assessed.
That's correct, that's a felony drug court, Your Honor.
Okay, so are you going to be doing that referral? I mean, I'm just thinking in timing of the adjournment.
Ms. Lunny may know better than I. Do you know how long those assessments are taking?
Right now I don't, but I would say if we could do two, and if it's not done, we could do a specific order.
Yeah, that works for me.
All right. Then why don't I just try the 17th to start with, and let's see if we can get it moving. Probable cause conference, June 7th. Bless you. June 17th, 2025. 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
It just appeared.
Wow.
I know.
No,
What a
it
nice
didn't
color.
appear. I saw her doing it. They're looking under everything. Don't worry about it. It's all done now.
I know.
Mr. Douche covered you. Court calls the case People versus Lakita Roberts.
Hey, here, Richard McDuffie for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender with Ms. Roberts, who's here to my right.
Yeah, Makita Roberts.
All right.
Your Honor, in speaking with Ms. Roberts and then in speaking with Ms. McDuffie, while I would like to also discuss a global resolution, it appears that there's a bench warrant that's outstanding out of the circuit court that didn't appear in X jail that Ms. McDuffie had found. It looks like it's a 2020 FTA matter.
That was already over at circuit.
Yeah, it's just an outstanding warrant. I'd ask the court to adjourn this briefly so I can track that down and get everything all squared away.
Okay, June 17th, 2025.
Thank you, Judge.
9 a.m. Bond will.
I'll be in touch, okay?
Thank you, Mr. Roberts.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Case of People versus Aaron Washington.
Hey, here, Richard McDuffie for the people.
Pardon? Yeah. Oh, okay. What's your name, sir?
Mr. Washington.
We're ready in this matter, Your Honor. Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, appearing within on behalf of Mr. Washington. Today's the date and time set for the probable cause conference. We are respectfully requesting that this matter be set for a preliminary examination. We do believe all of the discovery is present.
Thank you, Your Honor. I was just telling Mr. Brown, I didn't get a chance to tell him that I checked in advance with the OIC regarding availability, and he stated that he could be available either next week, June 10th, or July 8th. He will be out the intervening 3 Tuesdays.
Two. I can set it.
It was just supposed to be attended hard.
Everybody's gonna be ready.
But she tried to get on man tax too.
Okay, so we'll work on this. So July 8th was one of the options, Your Honor.
Yes,
And what was the other?
it was June 10th. It was, yeah, this Tuesday coming up.
June 10th, please. Your
June
Honor.
10th?
Yes, please.
Okay, everybody be ready on that day. June 10th, 2025, 9 a.m. That will be before Judge.
I don't want to adjourn.
That's
No,
before,
No.
that's before Judge Barr.
Available PE, but not sure that's the next day.
I just want to check the council. Are we sure about June 10th?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Germany will be July 8th. We ain't trying to do that.
No, I want to
Does
adjourn.
anyone June 10th?
Yeah, see, that's preliminary.
Okay, cool. That works. That's pretty.
You two all set?
Kinda, we're getting
Kinda, no,
baby.
I ain't got all day.
Try to figure it out. Try to figure it out, Simpson.
June 10th, 9 a.m. before Judge Barr. The bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case